Hi everyone, so today we're going to solve Leetcode daily challenge, problem number 1 to 4, binary tree maximum path serve. So in this question, what we have to find out is the value of the longest path. Okay, in the binary tree, sequential node where each pair is path is the sum of nodes values in the path. Okay, so we have to basically find out the path with the maximum node values. Okay, and given the return maximum paths. Okay, that's fine. So there are, yeah, so this problem will be like can be solved using the DFS approach, and I will break down this problem to a node level, like to the granular level, in which I'll be checking the maximum path at each subnode. Okay, so then there will be three conditions occur. For example, we have a leaf node over here, right? Simple, like for the leaf node, the total value will be the value of the node as well itself. But for example, this was a parent node. So now there are three conditions possible. If we want this value to be added with the left subtree, or this node to be added with the right subtree, or we just want this node. Okay, like for this node I'm talking about, right? So these are the three main conditions, and what we want to do is like we will also have to check if we want to pick a node or not. For example, in this case, like where we have this -10 value, I would not want to add that in this part of the subtree, right? So we'll have to check that as well. So let's start the coding and I'll explain the solution on the go. First condition, if the given tree is not valid, just simply return, I return a 0. Okay. Now I want to initiate a variable, like an intermediate variable, which will store the maximum value or the value which will get while doing the DFS. So next, let's initiate that with -infinity, because obviously we cannot have anything less than that. Next thing, I will create a helper function to perform the DFS on the tree which we have received. And if node is none, basically simply return float of -infinity. And if it's a leaf tree, I would like to return just the value of the node. Okay, so we are through, like we have processed the leaf nodes. We now checked if the if the tree was valid or not. Okay, next comes the part where I would like to check the longest part on my left subtree. Okay, in this I will simply just recursively call my helper function with the left subtree of the current node. Similarly for the 8, it is exact same piece of code. Now to current the current maximum, like as mentioned, what we'll be checking is if we want our current node to be added with the left subtree or to be added with the right subtree, we just want the current node itself. Okay, so we'll pick the maximum of node dot value, node dot value plus left sum, node dot value plus right sum, right? So we get the maximum at a particular node. Now to update the local, maximum value, what we will check is if current value in this variable is greater, we'll keep that. Sorry, it should be dot or node value added with the right sum and the left sum. For example, in this case, we will add both the left and the right subtree paths to the parent node, right? Or we just simply want the left sum or the right sum. So these are the four conditions, and at the end we just want to return the maximum for the node, and at last we will return maximum of value from the root, or root dot value if nothing is available, or self dot submax. So let's see. Yeah, so the test cases got passed successfully. Let's submit for further evaluation. Yeah, so the solution got accepted, and the last time I rate, I think I was getting 99.52% faster submission results. So yeah, thanks a lot guys for watching the video, and stay tuned for the upcoming ones.